Hello cousins, Coquito season is among us and I bring you my Coquito recipe. This is a traditional Puerto Rican drink made with love by Dominican hands. Let's get right to it. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description bar or caption, but I'd like you to know that my Coquito recipe does not have eggs included. So if you're not an egg person, this recipe is just for you. I'm going to be adding 1 can of cream of coconut along with 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a dash of nutmeg, a dash of ground cloves, and a dash, I'm gonna say more like a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For the fun part, I'm going to be using 1 cup of white rum. This is Bacardi Superior. And it doesn't stop there. I am going to be adding a second alcohol component to my Coquito. My Coquito is special. I promise you, if you try this recipe, you're going to love it. I am going to be adding half a cup of brandy, specifically spiced brandy. If you can get your hands on spiced brandy, this is gonna make a big difference in your Coquito. And to this, I'm adding half a cup, and I'm going to blend this on a high speed for 1 minute. I purchased these bottles from a discount store right around my way and I paid $2.99 for each. If you'd rather use the mason jars or purchase bottles on Amazon, go right ahead and do that. I am going to refrigerate my Coquito for 2 days before serving because we're gonna build all of these flavors. Don't forget Coquito at your next holiday event. Thank you for watching, cousins.